Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to schedule a payment with Chase Online Banking. If you want to pay a bill on future date, Chase Online Banking makes it easy to schedule one-time or recurring payments. To get started, firstly you need to open your Chase Online Banking website, sign into your Chase account using your username and password. And once you're signed in, navigate to the Pay and Transfer menu and select Pay Bills. If you have not added the company or person you want to pay, click Add a Payee and enter the required information. Follow the prompts to save the payee to your account. Next, locate the payee from your list and enter the amount that you would like to pay. And choose the Deliver by the Payment Date field and select the future date on which you want to pay to be sent. And if you want the payment to repeat automatically, look for the Recurring Payment option and choose the frequency such as weekly, monthly, or another available schedule. And review all of the payment details including the payee, payment amount, and account you're paying from. And once everything looks correct, click Schedule Payment, Submit, or Confirm to save your payment. And that is it. That's how you can schedule a payment with Chase Online Banking. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.